Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella, and today I am going to see what people will be offering for my turtle. Sorry about that angle. Yeah, so today I'll be seeing what people will offer for my turtle, and I'm going to be putting my sister Maggie's link in the description, and also my friend just made a channel. It's called Honeybee, so I'll also put that link in the description. So go ahead and subscribe to them. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Oh yeah, also today I'm on my 90th day login streak. You guys go ahead and comment what you're on, and I today just claimed my toucan. Getting close to that golden egg. If you guys have already gotten that, comment down below. But now, let's just see what people trade. Trading turtle, good offers only. A witch's caravan. Wow. That from this person, no, it's from Cat Love. Where are they? Wow, witch's caravan. I'm sorry, he's sadly not retreat at the moment, and I'm also getting really close to mine. Oops, wrong thing. Oops, wrong thing. Again. I feel like I'm like doing a speed video because I'm clicking things so quickly. But yeah, I'm getting close to my witch's caravan. All that stuff. All that stuff looks good. Okay. So we just got another trade request. They're trading with someone else, that's fine. Okay, another trade request, probably from the same person. Trading with another person. Why is someone else trading with someone? Why are you sending me a trade request if you're always trading with someone else? What the heck is going on? Let's just oh, here we go, trade request finally. A ride buffalo. Yeah, I'm sorry, sorry. Yeah, I think I might need to change servers. Oh look, there's a flyable toucan. That's nice. I like my toucan the way it is though. And if you guys are wondering, Stella, oh my gosh, did you get scammed out of you two other ginger cats? No guys, I just traded them to my friends so that they could help me level them up. And to enter the Neon Dingo giveaway, and I'm gonna be making another one right here. Go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and also go ahead and comment down below with your Roblox username. And guys, I don't think you guys will do this, but you don't have to put poems like or like stuff like that. You don't have to put any of that stuff. You can just comment how you really feel. But if you want, you can put a poem, but I'm saying you don't have to. So I think after this trade, you might go into a different server. Oh wow, that's a good offer. That might be the best offer besides the witch's caravan so far. Okay, well let's go ahead into another server, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so now we're in the new server, and this should be fun. Can this thing load already? Like, seriously? Okay, here we go. Oh no, it looks like someone just got scammed out of their ride potion. Okay, everything's glitchy. Okay. Oh gosh, that's loud. Thought I had my volume off. Okay. Yes, here we go. And main center, and okay. Looks like there's a Dalmatian. And guys, comment down below, should I make a neon turtle or a neon unicorn? And I know I don't have enough yet, but I'm thinking about trying to trade some stuff for them. And should I spend all my money on like a house for a roleplay video that is coming up? Or should I spend it once all my pets are leveled up? Comment that below also. And now let's just... Give her back her fly potion. Good offer, but fly red unicorn. That's a good offer. Oh, and a ginger cat, and oh wow. Oh, just took away the unicorn. Why did I not know that would happen? Let's try to get this red potion back for this person. Oh, I really like tropical though. I really don't want to give them away. Let's just go ahead and let's find. Wow, this just became like a chase video. Okay, I do actually want to try to get that parrot. Okay guys, so I might stop the video here, or I could... Okay, let's just fly around trying to find this girl. Oh, I really... So I am going to give her something. I really do like Mew Mew, but okay, now she has Mew Mew. So guys, after this I might go into a different server. Okay, let's just... Well, now that she has Mew Mew, I'm just gonna wait for her to sing this. See this? And now. Boop. Okay. New server time. Okay guys, this will probably be the last server. Might do a couple more trades. And then I will probably end the video. But thanks Ginger Squad so much for watching this video. Love you guys so much. And remember, to win the Neon Dink giveaway, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and comment down below with your Roblox username. But like I said, not ending the video yet. That's why I gave you everything. Sorry, guys. My singing sucks. But if you guys do really want me to do a singing video, I might. We'll just have to see. Or maybe I'll just do it now. Okay, well, actually, let me just... Well, guys, oh wow. A flat ride golden rat? Full grown? Wow. I'm so tempted to accept. I'm sorry. Okay, one last trade. Okay, well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you guys so much. Make sure leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye bye.
I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile.